Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
ingane yakho ngiyayithanda, impumelelo ngiyamthanda, naye uyayazi leyo nto.
Kakhulu bese kungasaqondakali ukuthi
Ungasaqondakali ukuthini?
ukuthi seyisima kanjani mhlambe uphuma endodaneni ungena ngiyabonga.
ngisho bekubembethisa kuwumembeso wakho, kuwumshado, kumalobolo, yonke into nje enobabezala nomamezala. Kuthiwa ingane yentombazane iyakumamezala uma inenkinga. Sometimes izibambela ngowayo umkhonto. But uTirelo, she's not even married. She's a girlfriend kahle kahle. She's typically a baby mama. Instead of going to Umayeni and complaining, and I think she can't go to Umayeni because Umayeni told them long ago ukuthi indaba enompumelelo nakayingeni, and you can see Umayeni nje indaba zakampumelelo akazingeni at all. I think sezimfed aphile. But ke kulolu daba uTerelo went to uMusa Mseleko and told uMusa Mseleko babezala wakhe ukuthi uMpumelelo ahluleka ukubawondla, uMpumelelo akamthandi, uMpumelelo nje, to a point where she literally cried for Ubaba Mseleko. And it sparked some rumors ukuthi what if Ubaba Mseleko uyamfuna vele ngempela uTirelo. Cause of the video le eyasegcineni aze athi hey abantu bangaze basola ukuthi is-create ibhondi usuka kumntwanami uza kimi. Why are you saying that? Like, this is literally a child. And besides, abantu my comment section were like, no, maybe it's the way Uterelo always wears magaya gu Baba Mseleko. She wears tight clothes. So Baba Mseleko is also a man. And ubona wonke lo mzimba lo ngaphandle and all of that. Because they were literally talking about Umpumelelo and she was crying ngey'nkinga zakhe, blah 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 blah. And ukuze afike kuleyo ndawo leyo Ubaba Mseleko ufika njani? Ukuthi manje hayi abantu bangaze basole bathi mina nawe sathandana ntoni. Sifikaphi lapho? Sifikaphi? Clear advice singamnika yona nje uTerelo ukuthi next time girl, if ever you can cry, nakhona babezala akana right ukubiza umakoti. Umuntu one-right ukubiza umakoti is always umamezala. Ahlale naye, obvious sebakhulumile nobabezala, ahlale naye amtshele ukuthi girl kenzakalani, amtshele and then umamezala uyahamba uyisa laphayana. So ingasi kulo muzi nje akunama-rules, akunandlela nje or benza umathanda abasenzi isiZulu. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.